Hello everyone, welcome back to the course on part modeling in PTC Creo. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the rip command. For that purpose, let us draw an object. Go to the sketch, select any plane. Here we have to draw one plate. Take the command center rectangle. Go to the OK. Now extrude this plate up to certain distance. Say OK. Now again we want the plate which is perpendicular to the current plate. Then select the plane, go to the sketch. Again highlight the reference of the plate, first and second. Then select center rectangle. As this profile is closed, click on OK. Then go to the extrude. Say OK. Now in this case we have to attach the rib. So for the rib there are two options, trajectory rib and profile rib. Firstly we will see the profile rib. So click on the profile rib, select the plane. Here we have to mark the references. So click on the references, select this point and this point. Say close. Now select the line, join the line from one point to the another point. Click on OK. Then reverse the direction of the rib and you will get the rib here. You can change the thickness as per your requirement. Suppose I am placing the thickness as 20. You can see here I am placing the thickness as a 20. If you change the arrow, you can change the orientation also. Center, left, right. In this way you can take the profile rib. In this way we can get the profile rib. Now let us see the another example with a circular object. So undo this command. On this plate consider one circle. Say OK. Make it extrude. Say OK. Again we have to draw one circle, a small circle. Click on OK. Make extrude. Say OK. Now in this case we have to attach the rib. So click on rib, select the plane. Here we have to select the references. So select the references, this line, this line, this line. Say close. Click on line. Also we have to add one line also because it's a circular one. It's a circular object, so that's why. Click on OK. Here we can get the rib for the circular object. Again you can modify the thickness over here, suppose 30. If you make it zoom, you can see there is a proper alignment between rib and the circular object. Say OK. So this is the profile rib. Now we will see the trajectory rib. So undo this. Go to the extrude of this command. Suppose we want the thickness By using the shell command, we will make one cavity in this object. Say OK. Now for the trajectory profile, we have to draw the profile or trajectory in between the cavity. So say in this case, say trajectory rip, select the plane. You have to select the upper plane for the sketch. Now draw one trajectory here. No need to be a close profile. Draw a profile likewise. You can place a line in this way. Say OK. It will automatically join the reference point. So this is the trajectory rip. Here we can modify the shapes. Now it is 11 mm. So suppose I want 15. So you can make it 15, or you can change the shape also. Shape can be changed here. Suppose 10. You can change the shape also. The feature failed to regenerate because the dimensions are not correct. So let us take the correct dimensions. We will modify it to the shape. First shape. Click on OK. If you zoom it, you can see the shape over here. Shape is rounded shape because here we have taken the round shape of the rib. Here you can see the round shape. Just modify it. In this way we can change the shape of the object. For a particular profile, the dimensioning should be proper. Here you can add the radius also. Here we can add the radius also. Radius is added. If you can see, if you can zoom it, you can see fillet radius is also added. So these are the commands which we can produce with the help of rip command.